Hello everyone, so now that we've chosen our colours of yarn, our size of yarn hook, we are going to start this class's project, which is a scarf. In this video we will be learning how to make a slip knot and a chain stitch, which makes the foundation chain of the scarf. So you're going to take the first colour of your yarn and make your slip knot. So you want to make a loop, bring the long end behind, take your hook, put it through the circle, grab hold of the bit behind and pull it through, then make it tight. And that's your slip knot. That's the start of a lot of crochet patterns. Next is the chain stitch. So we go around the hook with the yarn and pull that bit through your first loop, and that is a chain stitch. We want to do this 25 times for the width of the scarf. Around, I grab hold of the excess yarn with these two fingers, but some people like to hold it in the other hand. Whatever's easiest for you. Pull that through. So you can see we've got 1, 2, and we want 25, so we'll just keep going. Don't worry if you lose count. Just go back round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and keep going. And now we have 25. You can see it's gone really spirally. Don't worry about it, you can straighten it out, not a problem. And there you have it. That is your foundation chain, the beginning of your scarf. In this video we've learned a slip knot and a chain stitch, and in the next video we will make the first row of our scarf by learning how to do the single crochet stitch. I will see you there.